Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna get into I have two Boxycharms to open. I have one from, I think it's December, and then one from January. So let's get this thing going. I think this one is December's, and I did not cheat to see what we were getting. I just haven't opened them. Okay. So it says "'Tis the Season," and it looks like we got Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, Bodyography Lip Liner, Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder, Detox Charcoal Mask, and a Protégé Palette. So let's see. Alright, so this is the charcoal mask. I'll probably use that. This is $30. And then this is the Bodyography Heatherberry Lip Pencil. It looks like a nice shade. I will probably use this. And that is $12. Ooh, this is the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder. Matte About It is what it's called. I love the packaging, super cute. Oh my gosh, this little pink powder puff, woohoo! I don't ever use them, but soft. And the powder is in there. It's almost like, kind of like a banana shade almost, but I will have to give that a try. I can't really smell. I don't know if it has a scent, but the one that I use is the Airspun by Coty, and I'm obsessed with that one. I love it. So there's that, and this is $32. This is the Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint in Insta-Famous. Oh my gosh, my hair is driving me crazy. It's like all frizzy. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm kind of mad that I did not open this to use it during the holidays. What a bummer. It's very pretty. And I already have on Boxycharm Dolly Danger, and I put on Fenty Fussy gloss over it, but it's kind of fading. That's pretty, but now I'm getting the ooh, it tastes like a cupcake. Minus the skin that's coming off of my lip. It's very pretty. I will definitely use this. Good one, Tarte. My lips are so dry right now. It's not even funny. Okay. So this was $20. And then here is a palette. The Protégé by Suva, and it's $34. Very pretty. Looks like you got a couple highlighters here. And, you know, your eye shades. You can do a couple of different looks with this palette, it looks like. So very pretty. And it's made in the US. That is $34. Alright. So that was December's box. And I'm not mad about it. I like it. So I'm going to set that one aside, and then let's dig into January's box. It says Boxy and Chill. We have leave-in conditioning spray, a long-lasting Ultra liquid lipstick, Tarte highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3, Tatcha luminous dewy skin face mask, 2-pack, and Billion Dollar Brows, a universal brow pencil. Oh my gosh. Like, look at the box. It's like Wow, so pretty. Okay, this is Havana Nights by Afro. They changed their packaging. I don't know if I like it. And I don't know if I like this color. I probably... Smells good. Smells like coconut. But I don't know if I'll ever use it. Havana Nights is the shade. And this is 20. Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. If I can get it open. And this is $36. It's very pretty. And the shades are all very nice. A very neutral palette. For sure. It's got nice payoff. Give it a try. It's very pretty. And their packaging is like super nice. Very, very nice. Tarte. And then this is the leave-in conditioner. I've tried this before, but this is the Rosarco Milk leave-in conditioning spray. And this is $12. This is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. And that's the shade. You can hear my son. Which that'll be good for my brows. I have to like draw in the tail of my brow now because I feel like when I got them waxed, a little bit too much was taken off, so that's a bummer. But this is 18. And then here's the Tatcha face masks. You get 2 of them. Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I've never tried any Tatcha stuff, so I'm excited about that. Those are $24, so like 12 bucks a piece. So that's everything. So it was another good box. I'm just not really sure about the lip color. And I don't really want to put it on my skin because I have to leave soon, but it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and usually those stick, and I don't really want to have to try to scrub it off. So I guess that's it for now, guys. But yeah, you know, if you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm and you're wondering if you should do it, 21 bucks a month, and you get all full-size products, and the boxes when they come to you are worth way more than what you paid for it. So that was January and December. So we have a 2018 and a 2019. So both of them were very good. I guess that's it for now. Couple things. So my lip thing that I did today was a little bit different, but I've also been using a new liquid eyeliner, and this is made by Benefit. It's called their roller liner, and I'm loving it. And I've been doing wings and trying different things with them. So, and I always say, like, I try to get them even, but they're sisters, not twins. Okay, so if you're afraid to try wing liner, just give it a go. Like, you have to play around with it a little bit and just keep experimenting, because even though I do it, they're still not perfect, but I enjoy it, so I try it out. All right, okay, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, have a great day.